Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 68 Vet with a 427 under the hood. The car is beautiful. I was just out driving it, had a blast. Now we're gonna fire it up so you can listen to it run. We're gonna get out and drive it like I was just telling you. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see about this Corvette so you can make a great decision on your investment. So come on up and we'll fire this 427 up for you right now. So check this beauty out. Rally red, the original color, 427, numbers matching, 390 horse, and we've got the tank sticker. Red interior, 4-speed. Man, this car is slick as can be. Look down the side of it, straight as an arrow. Beautiful paint work, red line tires. Trim rings on the wheels looking hot. I love these doors. Only 68 has those. Look at that interior. Look how nice and clean that is. Seats look brand new. Center console looks brand new. Steering wheel looks great. Convertible tops in beautiful shape. What a sweet ride we've got here, guys. And I did mention that it was a 4-speed. Dash pad itself's in good shape. All the componentry on the dash is looking good. The jambs here on the doors are nicely finished. The rubber's been replaced. The chrome on the bumpers looks great. The trims around the tail lights are looking good. Corvette emblem looks good. Look down that side, straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we laid out our money. When they get back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we own all of our cars and we're buying between 40 and 50 units every month, and I'm in charge of picking every one of them out. So I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, it's 68 Corvette time. Ready to go, guys. I tell you what, I never understood these cars till I drove one. Once you get behind the wheel of one of these cars, you know exactly why guys fall in love with them. I mean, I love it. Look out front here. Look at those front fenders. Aren't that cool? What a neat car these are. Get around the corner here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Call anytime. If you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. Tom will take care of all the paperwork. All you need to do is call Tom. He will take care of business for you. Now look down here on the dash. We have this big speedometer and that big tachometer working. Looks like all the gauges here on the dash is working. Even the little seatbelt cancel sign. I didn't have my seatbelt on, so you can just push that button, turn that light off. Man, I wish you could do that today. 4-speed, driving great. Just love these cars. Now, we're right outside of Detroit, so if you'd like to come visit us, please do. We'd love to have you come out and check the cars out in person. We sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. But boy, we encourage you to come see them if you can. If you want to drive in on a Saturday, we're here on Saturdays. I'll tell you what, these Corvettes bring back a lot of memories for me. Remember these things jetting around out on Telegraph when we were out racing our cars? Like I said, I never knew how cool they were because I'd never driven one. Well, I've driven one now. Here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We've got 80,000 square feet, 230 cars in stock. We bring in between 40 and 50 new units every month. Now we're gonna put this up in the air so you can check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this Corvette now, and it is just as nice underneath as it is on top, guys. You can see the exhaust is brand new, the spare tire holder looks brand new. There is a spare tire in here. Looks like the gas tank's new. The frame looks good up in there. Spring looks like it's a rebuilt unit. The bushings are good. The cross member looks good here. Right around the 355 gear in here, you can see the fiberglass is nice and clean. Everybody knows on these Corvettes, these corners where these dog legs are very important to check out. That's where they go. This frame looks amazing. It is in beautiful shape. You can see we got raw fiberglass here on the floors also. U-joints look good in the drive shaft. Looks like the parking brake cable's all hooked up here. We got the numbers matching Muncie transmission in here. Stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage. Exhaust manifolds look correct. Everything under here is nice and clean. It is beautiful. Frame's nice and clean, nicely painted. Now they've painted all the steering gear here with bare metal paint, so it looks like bare metal. Of course, disc brakes up front, they've all been checked out. Everything under here looks great. Sway bar, all the bushings look good. Now it's got bias ply tires, and these look like they've got some age on them. So if you're planning on driving this car a lot, what I would do is buy some Cokers making some radial bias ply looking tires that would work real good on this car. That's what I'd put on the car if I was going to drive it every day. If you're just going to put it in your collection, these tires will be just fine. F70 15s, paint looks good, center caps look good, and the trim rings look great. And again, you can see the frame, how nice and clean it is and nicely painted it is. Let's check out that rear tire. Out back, again, this is one of the original original style tires. Again, it's in the same shape. You can see the body mounts here. All those bushings look good. Wheel well's nice and clean. And again, check those end caps on those frames. That looks great. I always look for the new bolts and shims and that up there where those trailing arms go in. Everything is nice and clean. It's all been done. Let's get under the hood and check out the numbers matching 427. All right, under the hood here, we got the 427 numbers matching. The intake looks correct. Now the carburetor is a correct carburetor for the car, but it is not numbers matching. Fan clutch up here, it's in good shape. Alternator looks good. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look good. Exhaust manifolds have been painted with high heat paint to keep them from rusting. They're looking good. All the vacuum lines look good. It looks like it's got a brand new alignment on it. I see new alignment shims in here. The bushings look good. The core support here is looking good too. That's another thing on these Vettes that you got to look at. It does have manual brakes, and it does have manual steering. This is a go fast car, guys. She is beautiful. Numbers matching motor, numbers matching trans, beautiful red car, beautiful restoration. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.